It's America's birthday, and there's nothing more patriotic and American than a good old-fashioned bargain. WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet in downtown Chipley, Florida is now offering bargains galore, with 40% off every item in the store June 25th through July 5th, 2021. That's 11 full days of allowing you to spring clean, freshen your home with bright, clean colors and patterns, and not break the bank. And there's also 50% off all clearance items. From sheets and pillowcases to shams, comforters, blankets, and throws, it's now easier and more affordable than ever to give your home a bright new look with new products arriving each and every day. If you haven't shopped WestPoint Home lately, well, you haven't shopped WestPoint Home. So enjoy great name brands like Southern Tide, Izod, Velux, Martex, and more. All at huge discounts at WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlets, 40% off everything in the store July 4th sale. June 25th through July 5th, 2021 on Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. Now open 7 days a week, it's WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet. And happy birthday, America!